We are not thinking about quality of the Black Stars. Yadriani said, Black Stars there, give them money, they will win you the AFCON. Chairman, AFCON yakoni na ano. Yenye trace kapa. Yensu yenye. Check the last time Nigeria beje AFCON no. Naga Nigeria winning bonus in Nigeria, but Nigeria won the AFCON. Zambia beje AFCON no. Near ye trace casting AFCON. Zambia, they won the AFCON. The last AFCON ya Algeria eji ye no. Ye free mu no. Ye wi ye no. Ni enye sika Ghana Blaster players no. Antisika asino Algeria for na eji Nations Cup ni antimi anye. So there is no direct connotation. Say Utreska Kessia and I'll the AFCON. And I've said it on my penny. Say Unimua, Fagana Sikanjina Blaster for team way, they will not win the AFCON. They will not win the AFCON. And that presume amount for can you doom so sa me sure says who fans be raise here. Raise fans to fix doom so. Debi me to me kana me fa tozu kwa no so a chairman me buofu obi ko fa so ba ko pe oba no osu. Nam ka say usu debi me nam so in and out every day. Debi me nam kwa sa kwa no so. Say nipa no nam sa kwa no so ti say o man pani priority ni say ye gidi sika ama Blasters akobo AFCON na. German, what do you think would be the mood of such a person? Our president is losing touch of grounds. They call grounds.
Oh, grounds.
He's losing it, chairman.
I mean, from the sporting. It's evidence. My problem here, sir. I say, dear Baku, the same thing, expecting different results.
Absolutely.
It looks like I want the hammer.
Absolutely.
Say, you discuss near Sayan Waba. You discuss near Dayan Waba. You discuss near Dayan Waba. Still, you discuss. I don't have to say anything. Then I'm saying, "Yeah, 4 money at you." And therefore, 4 money at you. The president leading chief executive officers, name ministers. Now, okay, I see CEOs of extractive sector. Omomututu, Goodyear, petroleum, Ghana gas, Go Fields, Hosunes Canwo, GMPC, Chairman, Abba. Then okay, yababa shy. Na minim adebi me nyan interest adebi because okay. All right. I say according to the FA, Penny Odan was say I say almost some easy pressure on government. Tina Omanpenny Ede CEOs ne baby resist. There's someone who also raised an argument say all are state institutions. So virtually it is state money.
Government money.
It's state government money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Black Stars. Let's give them the target. Go also bet me AFCON now. Go win the AFCON. Skebia pe the man.
Me say normally me this one of the things I think say they sky of sports aside having a sports minister, I think president also only advisor on sports. Yeah. Seriously.
I'm saying now President Kufuor also Fabedi extraordinaire.
Football ambassador
extraordinaire.
Because I think some say Nana don't know Opebo he loves the game.
Yeah.
But ebia obi cheche ni mo me situation ni here. Because I'm not saying or appreciating ye, but maybe I'm because your voice is a AFCON. You say, oh yeah, because normally when they go to convince the big boys, normal mention Cote d'Ivoire for Edgy saying, where would you say to him? My boys got only a moment because you president. And to say, Jamaican is I honor at that very moment. I'm not sure the president will go do any cross check. Because he feels that as big as he is, but
you see, Chairman,
that's what I'm saying. Advisor on sports.
Yeah.
I'm
sure the president has advisors on all sectors, but I'm saying, I'm saying, Obia Jane, what will I gain out of this? Because if you're a true advisor to the president, now him say, Cup of Nations say, the Division 4 players, the Denumane, one shot na Minusa Samuel Jan Bekobia. Ya di wemu na eko na o kwakọ no. So reti akwala we di 5 years. I was basic school. O man Ghana catches all my Ghana's top 5 problems.
and any priority or member so you're national and or citizen. Catch us a cup of nations for the Black Stars, no. A detour and first will be a muscle, especially when you have CK Akono and the Massa. We are going, you are just going. Make your mind problem. You give your mind problem. Me won't be a cup of nations, no. Me, I don't get it. Even in football. Chief game and media money to Kodima. Park or ball was so. Karela ni had to work game on the Sa GMPC Park no. Sanko Mampany by Gigi size can free state institutions no. I be virtually for if not half of the Premier League clubs. Yeah, just Cup of Nations. Now ministers name baby girls a call. No mako seho, no masaba. Mako Didier Biani. Massa. They should get serious.
Well, the medicine say everything say but saying it here.
Chairman, there's no justification. There's absolutely no justification for this fundraising.
Everything I could sell it to Abai. I'm sure. Come say everything. Oma everything. You call AFCON. Oma the 12 bonuses. Oma the 12 per diem. Oma the 12 bibia. Nemo kabai resist kakamoma.
Someone says, "I never bad ya."
See, I just are buying it. I just are buying a sponsor. But
call up squad no. It was here to swaba. Or man will be I'm telling you, Cup of Nations here. Who plays here? The Beko. I don't watch it. President of the FA now, I am who agent of a players who run the agency in terms of the Black Stars. Over Black Stars here, best I know. Also, there's too much joke in the system. So, man, penny beg involved when who was idea with me. And I may buy a junction or dime be a shit. Dina shit. Me be say mom say light off now a call off bear 10 times. I dare chin a bear 1. Dina a whole building is off. Dina shit. We say woman penny who dear any more just come a Black Star players a bit championship in the 4th division. Massa say Senegal cry no more the sado man in Moko cry himself be home. On my national team no and go ye my higher home.
Okay, Andy Rana.
When you so say minim dentia o mampani adwen say to stay in power as a blaster baby. Onye so say was adwen. No, the only I said their continuous stay in power depends on Black Stars winning the trophy.
David, they know the excitement the Black Stars bring. Sanyome Koya. What happened in Germany 2006? They see even Angola 2010. Ghana 2008. Equatorial Guinea.
The waka in na chema eno krema. Mayensi abonde.
Blaster and Koya. Kromgra yede. Say abobo na Ghana she. Na ya tiesi Montezo ni yes.
Chairman, I am telling you ne. Say Black Stars e win tournament. The excitement will not be that great, and now I can say
very great.
I doubt it.
Very great.
I doubt it. Chairman, Yensi Krum. Near Mr. Manfo said, see a bed fix it room so. See a bed fix it rose. And say this car Emma Blasters after no. What is their priority? You lead the people, and people now lead you.
We are back to the same thing. Over Kaya same way. I think for President Mahama. We said virtually the same thing. Now we are saying the same thing. So it means that our problems are always repeating itself. And the reason being that the politicians want to please certain people without thinking about the broader picture.
They are not pleasing anyone. They are pleasing themselves.
Of course.
So there's absolutely no reason.
Because if the FA president comes to you, now because also, you say you bring us idea yes, FA I budget 6 million about. You go about AFCON. No more the amount. You must say be repeated sad no. And then you say burden of government into one penny. Can one lady no raise this kind from corporate institutions no. Naka from my end yes ani yam ma ho kra biem. Na sense kan kra ho so budgeting ne ho accounting kra so by. Now, my penny register kind of first state institutions. Virtually the same thing because GMPC, Ghana Petroleum, Ghana Gas, Ghana Honor, Nina or Manadia. And Virtually the same thing. Oh, there, young company never Ghana Premier League, no. Study it here. But sometimes you get to understand when we talk about these things. I don't know who be a Juba. What you my target? Say, we are memory. We are memory. But basics behind the idea so to and sadden. Black Stars are more per diems, almost just $300-500 a day. Also, call Egypt normally $500 a day. $500 every day. The men are the one down so you got the 500. Your ball 2 matches. Your ball draw against Benin, against Cameroon. And you win Guinea-Bissau. Sadim Refida. Tournament we need 1 match. Guinea-Bissau. Blaster players still bass him and move out of the stadium and on some winning bonus.
No, sir, Chairman, sir, Cup of Nations 2019. How many politicians need you Mukoye? Players no crowd there. Maybe they are more and some more the money of them to more crowd there. When I politicians never be deal. I'm telling you, sir dinner no, sir fundraising dinner no. Ye cap budget near Biani on be do dinner na se krana. Ebet me AstroTurf back home. Ebet me a full AstroTurf. We are a country, we waste resources. Yes. Look, share Galam say away. Kakra ne ya. Oma sa ati committee say omo nsan enko nsuo no so nyina nsan ko hwese nsuo no ebi. Oh my way pa just say. Oma say ade no, oma sa ati ho committee and omo nam the whole Ghana and omo gi per diems ni allowances. Just say kwayo kwabra ne be force wedidi nko a o. Oh no.
Well, yanko enim say no ntina na bia meka ode adema private man. Na bia meka se Kumasi City mo obidia. Omo washroom no nipa ewura ho a day. Enyen paketwa. In a week nipa ewura ho. Okwa washroom no. Said first omo ye net ye no. Sa na tie. Baba stadium. Eya aban ne dia no. Edu bi washroom no uduru wa. Etimi je ho ema ukofie ufie nya obukofie nya na aje ho. Atade so wanwura bonten a. Wa ha ba ji ufie ho nyina. E twen ema ne sei. Said the way akobra ne the contract be mo obi. So be renovate it. Ask yourself, say, almost as a kafu okuma Dr. Koko thing, or Zakwame despite num, and almost all the home institutions almost seasonal. Ubakono is still intact. Still have Bibia Danakwem, Abaidiano, Ubakonas is a renovation. Which renovation secret be a bar, it is dining you. That is the situation we are in now. And it is sad. Say sa ena yeko mama Sro man panyin sa event we die ankonfa ntu kwan sa da no omo frɛ na onka je so medru Guinea ana medru Cote d'Ivoire dada intimi ma ana okɔ India akɔ so benya
COVID-19 aduru aba money see event we ase money see ase FA4 no pese omo di ni wura ba bia enim guase beto no. I'm telling you, money see ase on penny baby ntina omo fra on fa phone ne mama Rebecca kan che say wo father on pe problem
we try we try. Okay, well I have on 95.7